What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to install a new shift knob on your car. This is a 1990 Miata, and we're putting this MADD JDM bubble shifter on it. Got this on Amazon for like 15 bucks. So yeah, this job is pretty easy. Like, anyone can do it. It doesn't require any mechanical background or skill or anything like that. It's just super easy. So first things first, you want to get this off your stock shift knob, and what you're going to want to do is pretty much just twist it off because it is threaded. This is a pretty heavy shift knob for a stock car. Like, this has got some decent weight to it. But yeah, now you're going to want to unbox your MADD JDM shift knob. As you can tell, most of the directions are in Japanese, so that's going to be no help. But it came with the adapters for your shifter thread. This is a 10, let me see, this is a 10 by 1.25, so we're gonna find that one. Once you find the right adapter for your shifter, see how this one threads on nice and easy, whereas the other one they give you is like super duper small and will not fit this. So like this one, here's the other one, like it doesn't even go on. So this one right here is definitely the right one. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna see how this is threaded. This is the inside of the shift knob, and the outside of this adapter is threaded. You're just gonna want to thread that in like that. Once you get the adapter like flush with the housing that it goes in, you can just start to thread it on to your shifter like so. And then right when it starts getting tight, just give it one good twist so that it's on there nice and tight, and then twist it back to see how tight it is, and if it's good, just you're good. And your shift bag, just tie that up like you would, and there you go. You got a MADD JDM huge bubble shifter for when you do mad skids with your skidder. So yeah, like I said, this install is super duper easy. You don't need any mechanical background at all. The only thing that might confuse some people is the Japanese directions, but it's MADD JDM, so what do you expect? And yeah, now you have a super huge MADD JDM bubble shifter for doing mad skids. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching.